Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, guys. How are you guys doing? Today I'm bringing you guys a video that is old of 8 years old. It's a video that is 8 years old, and it's basically the first time that I ever left my country of birth, which is Spain, to go and study Arabic at that time, and basically I wanted to show it to you guys and to not just upload it like that with no type of context. What I will do is I will play it and I will comment on a few things just to benefit you guys, and just comment on the video and what was going on at that time and whatnot. So the first video, there's two videos actually. The first video that I'm going to show you guys is the first time I ever went to Egypt. The first time I ever went to Egypt, it was for a 3-month intensive program, which it ended up not benefiting from the 3 month, because on the second month I traveled to the US, and basically I spent there for about 2 weeks and whatnot. So it was kind of like all over the place, but it was supposed to be a 3-month intensive program. And it was the first time ever that I traveled like for something like this, like to seek knowledge and whatnot. So let's play that first and let's comment on it. So first of all, guys, what I want to say, and you guys let me know in the comment section. Me personally, I don't like this type of anashid. I don't know, for some reason it just doesn't sound right in my ear. I don't like the melody of it. You guys let me know what you guys feel about it. I like more like you see guys, the poetry that I sometimes play to you guys. Like for example, Ya talib al-ilmi قم لا تنم فإن الزمان انقضى وانصرم وكن ما حييت ضنينا به. And I sometimes play it in the end or the beginning of the videos. So let me know, guys, what you guys think about this anashid and whatnot. However, so the first image you guys seen, it was my roommate. His name was Husni, and he was from France. And yeah, I met him basically on this trip. Didn't know him, and all up until today I don't have contact with him actually. Then you guys see me sleeping, and basically this is a short video, like I was basically showing the people I know and whatnot, what we do on a daily basis. As you guys can see me as well, I was the chef of the house actually. Like the brothers would put the money and buy like spaghettis and like tomato and chicken and whatever, and then I would cook it. So I was getting paid by not paying food, if that makes sense. So that was my way of saving money.
في موقف ما أعظم لم تخف منهم خافية والهول فيهم قد بدا الشمس منهم دانية في موقف ما أعظم لم تخف منهم خافية والهول فيهم قد بدا الشمس منهم دانية لا ذل إلا ذله.
So as you guys can see, that food was actually very good. For those of you thinking now, for those of you thinking, man, Muhammad probably don't know how to cook. Well, that's the evidence over there. I was 17 years old there. And as well, something I didn't mention is all of this is in Alexandria, the first place where I went to. Most of the people, when they go to Egypt to study Arabic and whatnot, they go straight away to Cairo. But for me, I first went to Alexandria, spent there a year. Then my daughter was born, so we left, and then we came back to go to Cairo. So you guys see me as well cooking, and the cheese all up until today, I literally buy like big. I'm the type of person that there is no such thing as a lot of cheese in a plate. Like I eat cheese with anything. So please make me feel, because my family, they say I'm crazy because I eat cheese with everything. So make me feel comfortable, please. And if you eat a lot of cheese too, please tell me in the comment section that I'm not crazy. Like, look at these guys. I don't know how many kilograms is this, but like, you know, if Allah allows me to, I always have a piece of, like a big piece of, like the same piece of cheese that you guys seen on the video.
تأتي بنور.
Bueno, aquí tenemos el chorro de la gloria.
Now these guys, what I'm about to show here on this piece of the video, the bonus thing, is basically I was showing my family that that for me at that time it was surprising, or it was just like fascinating. Like, yo, I don't even need to like take, because in Spain, as I grew up, we had you know, a bottle or whatever it might be when you go to the toilet to do istinja. But in Egypt, they have these toilets with like a the hole, and you just turn on the you know, the sink or like the Hanafiya or whatever, and the water starts coming out. So it helps you, like, it's just practical basically. So I was showing my family, and yeah, I don't know if you guys are eating, you might not want to watch the next part.
Como le llamo yo, es un chorrito que está aquí en el lavabo. Y entonces, cuando tú vas a hacer tus necesidades, vas aquí, lo abres y te chorrea tus necesidades. Ajiba.
All right, guys, so look at it from this perspective. This part of the video might be like, what? Why would he record that? But look at it from like the perspective. Look at how everything is going on right now, the coronavirus and whatnot. People fighting literally for the toilet paper and whatnot. I mean, if you have something like this in your house, you don't need no toilet paper. It's even like more hygienic and more like clean. Anyways, what I'm about to do right now, guys, is I'm going to play the second vlog. I will probably not comment on it, or perhaps maybe, but I don't think so. I'm just gonna play it, and I'm gonna let you guys watch it, and you guys let me know what you guys think, or what you guys want to know about, you know, specific parts of this next video that I'm about to play. Now, this video, just to give you guys a little bit of context, it was us being as students in Alexandria, and we were going to Cairo just to buy books and like visit and whatnot. So it was two French brothers that was around over there, and so the video is going to be in French, and I will translate to you guys. So this is why I cannot like translate and at the same time comment on it. It's just gonna be too much. All right, so I'm gonna let you guys to it, and let me guys know in the comment section what you guys think about that video.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
لحظة في العمر ألقاه فلو أدري الكلام لقلت أهوى.
Ben là, Inch'Allah, on est en voyage pour aller au Caire, Inch'Allah. Là, on est dans un tuk-tuk. Un tuk-tuk, bon, tu fais le tour, regarde. Monte un peu le tuk-tuk pour aussi. Là, on est dans un tuk-tuk.
Ouais, donc là,
on appelle ça un tuk-tuk. Même le tuk-tuk, c'est très très dangereux.
Il est
très dangereux.
On a failli mourir pendant beaucoup
Il est
d'efforts.
6h30, je crois, 7h du matin. On pense à vous, les frères, les Dora, parce qu'on est en voyageur.
Ouais.
Inch'Allah, que tout ça se passe bien.
Inch'Allah.
C'est vos questions.
وأبحر
في مدى الدنيا وعالمها إلى زمن تعدد في زواياه.
بسم الله. Ahora vamos a ir estamos en Alexandria. Inshallah vamos a ir al Cairo.
ويهتف خاطري الله الله على حلقات.
Salam alaikum, partie 2 du voyage. Voilà, on est dans le minibus qui s'appelle la Hafiyat. On patiente. Voilà.
صبر.
Partie 3, Inch'Allah. Ok.
وكان الحب للقرآن رائدنا وما نلنا الأمان البيض لولاه. أتذكر كم تزاحمنا نرتله فعلمنا إخاء ما نسيناه. فإن حفظوه أولادي فأمنية أنال الله قلبي ما تمناه. وإن الجود للقرآن موهبة بها يهدي لنا المولى عطاياه. ومن أحيا كتاب الله أوله به يلقى الإله إذا توفاه. به يلقى الإله إذا توفاه.
Risqué? Pourquoi moi?
Est-ce que les choses se passent ou quoi?
Salam alaikum wa
Salam alaikum.
barakatuhu.
Donc, alhamdoulilah, on est arrivé au Caire. Troisième partie de la vidéo.
Troisième partie, ouais.
Alhamdoulilah, par la permission d'Allah, il nous a facilité le voyage. Alhamdoulilah. Ça s'est bien passé. Là, Inch'Allah, on va aller au Merkaz Al-Fajr, prendre quelques bouquets, Inch'Allah, si c'est possible.
Inch'Allah.
Puis on va manger et on verra avec les frères ce qu'ils veulent faire.
طيب.
Inch'Allah.
طيب.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
أنت تستطيع تكلم العربية
الحمد لله
الحمد لله.
قليل
قليل ها؟
نعم قليل.
مثل
يعني في البداية صعب علي. وإن شاء الله مع الوقت شيئا فشيئا إن شاء الله.
إن شاء الله.
تعلم اللغة العربية شيئا فشيئا
إن شاء الله. إن شاء الله.
مع الدرس.
وأنا أتكلم العربية very good ميم. قليل قليل كثير كثير صغير صغير كبير كبير.
كله العكس.
ولما قسى قلبي وضاقت.
Non, ouais, voilà, bon, on attend le mec, et ben, apparemment, on est monté dans le taxi et il prend son billet, quoi.
Il est là. Capitaine.
وإن كنت يا ذا المن والجود مجرما. ولما قسى قلبي وضاقت مذاهبي جعلت الرجاء مني لعفوك. Désolé, il faut une caméra de ça. Ah ouais. Bon alors.